Lunging with rotation using a medicine ball is a powerful exercise that targets your legs, glutes, core, and obliques. Here's how to do it. Stand tall with feet hip-width apart. Hold a medicine ball with both hands close to your chest or extended, slightly in front of you, depending on difficulty. 2. Step into a lunge. Step forward with your right foot. Lower your body until both knees are at 90 degrees. Keep your torso upright and core engaged. 3. Add the rotation. While in the lunge, rotate your torso toward the side of your front leg, in this case to the right. Keep the medicine ball at chest height or slightly extended, adds difficulty. Hips stay facing forward. Rotation comes from your torso. 4. Return to start. Rotate back to center. Push off your front foot to return to standing. Repeat on the opposite side. 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps per leg. Rest 30 to 60 seconds between sets. Don't let the front knee go past the toes. Avoid rotating at the hips. Focus on torso rotation. Keep the core tight to protect your lower back. Use a light to moderate medicine ball, 4 to 10 pounds for most people. Please check my next video.